There we are. That's all the crabs for crab soup today. So let's get them all cleaned out and see what happens. I don't know how many there is, but that's a lot. Okay, this is how to clean a crab. Small one for soup. Let me just get this one here done. Let me just remove this one here. Now let's pick another one. This is the one we're going to take. You're going to hold like that. Remove the helmet like this. Underneath the helmet, you'll find the gills. And once you remove the gills, you clean it off in the water. Take your brush and then clean out all the intestines inside of it in the water. And once you're done with that, end up with a flush, and the crab is now clean. So we're making crab soup. So here we are, 3-hour process. Lots of crabs in the frying pan. And as you can see, they're turning, actually still with some nerves in them. They're still kicking around a little bit. This is with a little bit chopped up chorizo, some garlic, and some special garlics as well. The flowers actually, and these are absolutely awesome. You can see I cut myself a little bit earlier. But anyway, it's going to turn completely red before we go ahead and cook them for a long time in the pot. So let's just try that. As you can see, they're all turning completely red, and those are the small crabs, so they look really nice actually. A few big claws in between, looks nice as well, but just wait for it, it's going to be fine. Now it's put into the big pot, and as you can see, some tomatoes are in there, and some parsley, and a little bit of garlic. Now a little bit of water comes in, and it's going to boil for a while. I'm going to put some celeries in there as well, and some ginger, a little bit of ginger root as well, and then salt and pepper, and then it's going to boil for about 3 hours, very, very slowly. So we're doing good progress here in the kitchen, the boat. So far we're more or less ready. Everything's actually put over onto the pot, and this is the result as it looks right now. Very nice color to it. It's just going to boil here now for 2.5 hours. Very slow boil. Got some potatoes in there too, celery's in there, some carrots in there as well, and a little bit of ginger, lots of garlic, and then of course the traditional with parsley, some basil, and salt, pepper, and so forth. The salt is actually going to take out the juices from the crabs, and it's just going to sit there and wait, and then I think it's going to be a very juicy and very nice and tasteful soup afterwards. So let's try it out. It's just getting to the boil now, and as you can see, it has the nicest orange color that you can imagine. So I'm looking forward to this lobster bisque or crab bisque. It has the right color at least, so hopefully it's going to be delicious. Well, now everything looks like it's just ready. It's just bubbling slowly, and it's going to be slow cooking here now for 2 hours, and then we'll see when we're done with that how it's going to be. But then after that, we're going to go ahead and twist all the juices out of the crabs, including the meat of course, and then it's going to be reboiled up, and after that we go ahead and get the consistency in and the right texture as well. Normally I'll do a bread, but today I don't have any, so we'll do it with cream, and then we'll see how that works. So stay tuned and see the result. So here's the final result. It's now finished, perfect colors, everything looks really nice. So now we're going to fish up all these crabs and put them over on this frying pan, but we're going to squeeze them through this towel, and the more you squeeze, the better it is. Every single droplet counts, so it's just a matter of squeezing as hard as you can, and you get some really, really nice juices and a lot of flavors out of it. So that's the whole secret. After hours on the stove and also getting ready with all this stuff, it's just been cooked up, and this is the final result of the crab soup that's made here in Tunø. There's a cod fillet in there as well, so you get both crab fillets and you'll also get some cod in there. It is really delicious, so I can really go and try it. Guys, if you like this one, like and subscribe to the videos, and you will see another one coming up whenever we're gonna go up and try this here in a second. This is the final result. We're actually trying to try this nice little crab soup. Looks really neat, and I think it's gonna be delicious. So enjoy it, try it out everyone. Is it good?
Yeah, amazing good.
As you can see, we just finished up the dinner. It's absolutely perfect and delicious. If you ever want to go out and try to do a soup with crabs, go ahead and please try this recipe. It is really, really good. It's simple, It takes about 3 hours to get it all sorted, and then it's really good. Anyway, for this time, we don't have much more to say. Besides that, hit the like, subscribe button, and hopefully see you soon. It's time to leave, and that's what we're gonna do now. See you next time. This is how we ship all the crazy people to the mainland. A whole container full of people. Someone didn't make it.